Hello, I'm Jonathan. I would love to show you how we've made street lighting management simpler than ever in Wloclawek, Poland. The city wanted to upgrade to connected LED lighting. In addition to optimizing its energy efficiency, they wanted a cost-effective, user-friendly solution that would streamline the street lighting network and significantly reduce maintenance costs. The transition was easy, thanks to Schreder EXEDRA, a plug-and-play user-centric solution designed to simplify processes and ensure automated commissioning. It offers an integrated environment to manage and operate devices and data via an intuitive cloud-based user interface that can be accessed on computers and mobiles. Now, this is really useful for teams on the field as they can easily access the necessary information and perform tasks from anywhere. Following the upgrade of the existing luminaires to connected LED streetlights, the city of Wloclawek has reduced its energy consumption by more than 40%, demonstrating the immediate efficiency of the platform. As for maintenance, the solution not only enabled the city to drastically decrease response times, but also achieve cost reduction.